Z-spheres allow you to quickly create and pose a base mesh. While you're working on your Z-sphere model, you can preview it at any time and then see what you're going to be refining later on. You can download Z-sphere models just like this one from pixelogic.com. Let's jump right in and see how we can start working with some basic Z-spheres. I'm going to hit the letter T and then Control N to clear this from my canvas. In my tool palette, I'll select a Z-sphere, click and drag to draw that in, and then hit Edit. When you're working with Z-spheres, I suggest that you take your draw size down to 0. Now that I have a Z-sphere active inside my canvas, I'm going to hit the letter X to activate symmetry. When you want to preview the mesh of a Z-sphere, you can hit the letter A. You notice that this Z-sphere has an open end. We're going to want to cap this off. I'll hit A again to go back to my Z-sphere. With the X symmetry turned on, I'm going to rotate this Z-sphere, hold Shift, and then snap it so I'm looking directly down the X-axis. I can then click and drag on the Z-sphere to draw in 2 new Z-spheres. Again, this is because I have symmetry turned on. I'll hit A to preview. We're not going to go past this point. We'll learn how to model more Z-sphere models in a bit. But right now we want to see what can we do once we've created our mesh. You can do some sculpting on this preview mesh, but when you're done with it and you want to convert it, all you need to do is click Make Polymesh. Once we do that, we've now converted this to a polymesh. If I hit A, you'll notice I don't go back to the Z-sphere model. We can then hit Control D to divide this, and then start our sculpting process.